Welcome, you guys. We're about to go ride the SURRON for a bit. You know, maybe get some content, maybe not. Who knows if I'll even upload this, but figured I'd do an intro just to be safe. Fuck, you'd be scary as fuck. I don't even know where I want to go.
I wanna give up. What will you now? And how do I find out? I need your love. Cause everything that's passed down, rearound just does not feel the same now. Your heart gonna bend for a smile, and I'm back for a while, and it's not gonna go down. No, it's not gonna go down. Been thinking about this moment for a while. Been having your heart pounding for a while. I can't just let go now. It's been a long time, and you got everything that's on your mind. Why sell? My bitch is fine as hell, and I can't tell. I ain't know the truth. I ain't know the truth.
And we're here. Round everybody's open. Okay, so we getting wet head with our wet heads. Oh. I ain't even see her. Bro, I wish I could fucking send these, bro. My fucking wrist. See what this one? Oh. Roll that shit back. If I want more suspension, do I want my preload and rebound to be higher or lower? Oh. I wanted to touch that gate so bad. Yeah, that's what autism was like. I don't know if y'all know, I was inside of this house before it was built. Oh. 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 Mobs. As much as I would love to do it, I think I'm not gonna risk my battery dying. I think we're not gonna do that. That would just be bad. But we are gonna go see this other spot where there's a bunch of like hills fucking up there. Yeah, I mean, bro, I don't got shit to say, bro. Just shut the fuck up. Okay, wait. So how the fuck did they get there? It does not pay to be drunk and horny. Cause bro, they dumped that shit. This wasn't here that long ago. They dumped that shit somehow. See, like right here, would this be the place to go? I would think so. I don't know, bro. We're obviously gonna have to find out, bro. Not fucking jabbing this bitch on the wood. My wrist ain't built for it. My wrist ain't built for this right now, bro. Give it a buck. That's how they get it. How do I get to that street? That's what I need to get to. Where that? Oh my god. Oh, I just fucked up my wrist doing that. I think that's gonna be my. Ow. That shit felt crunchy, bro. Ow. As far as we can without it. But you know. Oh my god. I actually can get up there, bro. Holy Jesus. Oh. Okay. Oh, holy Jesus. Oh. Okay. Oh. That shit fucking... Those bastards. Bro, they drove up that and got on the top. That's what I'm looking for right now. Let's make sure no one's following me. Okay. Try going on this way. We're gonna speed this up, so. Oh. Oh. Well, my chain looks good. Fuck, bro. I would. This is either a send or no go, bro. Alright. We made it! I sort of doubted myself for a bit. I sort of... Oh. Okay, okay. Don't get too cocky. Count my chickens. Count my chickens. Oh. I'm counting. We made it! Ow. Oh my god, my wrist, bro. Alright, bro, we made it. So let's, we're gonna walk this over to where I need to be because my wrist ain't doing so good. Let me keep it above. I'm walking. Oh, oh. Yeah. Shit, I'm taking my shoes. Okay. We made it! We made it! Yeah! Look at that shit! Look at that shit, man! That thing did it. That thing got me up here. I've been looking at this every day passing by for work, bro. That's the tower I was looking at. I've been passing this every single day, waiting for the day I could go up here. And we made it. Don't fall. We made it. Fuck yeah. Nah, this bitch got power honking. Celebratory honks. Yeah. Yep. All right, we're done. We're done. My camera fucked up. No, my camera's good. All right, let's tie the shoes. Ow. Tie the shoes and get the fuck out of here. It's getting pretty dark. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this for a bit though.